Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up Data Saver in the Spotify app. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the profile menu in the top left corner. Then we tap on settings and privacy, and then we tap on data saving and offline. And here at the top we have Data Saver, and we have three options. It's either on, automatic, or off. If we turn on Data Saver, it means that it's pretty self-evident. It's going to save data and not use so much as otherwise. If we turn it off, then it's not going to optimize data usage. And if we set it to automatic, it's going to use the device settings regarding data usage and data saving. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.